Hello. Now we're just gonna do a little update. Now my introduction video for this truck, it was, this was over here, it was messed up, it was up here. This is all the white thing. Gotta replace it. Replaced this like this dark gray, almost black cut, because I want to do the whole interior, do like the gray, the dark grayish black interior for it. In order to switch this out, it all comes as like one set, and it has like pins that all sticks in. But I had the white piece on it that was plastic that actually was this part that actually stuck in, because I guess the cushion itself had come off at one point in time, and that's what that dirty white piece of plastic thing was. So just had to use a blow dryer, heat that all up, and then peel that thing off. And now, nice clean piece of plastic. Now it's gonna go through and do the rest of its interior. It's crazy. Still gotta do the pieces on this thing. Now good to go. And then I have a new switch coming in on that. That'll be fixed. These will be fixed. I already have the parts readily sitting in the back. Just got this piece on. Looks nice. Ignore all the Valvoline high mileage oil. It's a Triton engine. Yay. Wow. If you like this little tiny update, little video things as I do them, like, subscribe. Just do it. Watch the other ones too, I guess. Well, bye.